What are we doing today? So I'll give you a quick look. This is called a Rotabuck, and the way it works is it's got a blade here which is a triangular shape. Kind of make it out on the end, maybe. Anyway, and what it does is it drags along and then rolls over, and it creates a pile of dirt that goes between a head ditch in a field and the furrows going where the plants are planted, and that's called the headland. And that area we don't plant because we need to get machinery down there, but when we're irrigating we need to be able to run water between the head ditch and the furrow. So this implement does that for us. And one of the issues that we've been having, the last time it was used, this whole part of the thing basically pulled back, digging this side in a little bit more than the other side, and it just pulled this whole side way over. So I had to cut this end right off, straighten out all these bars again, and then I've added extra supports in here and then webbing, so that it's become basically a whole truss kind of a setup now in the bottom. And now I'm welding it all back together. So that's been a little project that I've been working on for the last couple of days, on and off, and it's nearly back together. I've got maybe a couple more hours and it'll be able to go back out in the paddock. So that's my day. I hope you're also having a great day, and God bless.